Hotel Keycard Door Lock System HL-HF3 Overview. You can pull down the handle to open the room door from the inside. You can also use the interior knob to lock the door from inside the room. The handle does not work when the hotel room card is not swiped. When swiping hotel key card, the handle can work and open the door. After using the hotel room card to open the door, you can insert the hotel key card into the power switch to enable the room power system. Then, you can also use the hotel electronic door plate to use the please clean the room, do not disturb and doorbell functions. After checking out of hotel key card, the room will automatically power off after 10 seconds. In our hotel door lock system, hotel key cards can be used to open access control devices installed in public areas such as bars, gyms, restaurants, etc.